Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to a new Minecraft hack client review video for Minecraft 1.7.8 to 1.7.9. It's my first 1.7.8 review, and today we're gonna take a look at the famous Nodus hack client coded by Java. As always, the download link is in the description, so be sure to check it out and download it. And if you don't know how to install hack client, then please check out my installation tutorial, which you can also find in the description. And now enough of talking, and let's start Minecraft. So be sure to choose the profile Nodus, then you go to play, and when you do that there comes a little pop-up window which says here Nodus, and here you can choose with which Minecraft version you want to play. You can also try to refresh the list, so if there's an update you will see here another version. And here we have 1.7.8 and we have the 14W11B snapshot. And both versions are pretty stable, but here it says test version for the 1.7.8 version, but I will use this for the review. And here we can see Optifine is not included and also no other mods, but maybe in the future there will be Optifine and other mods. So now let's pick the 1.7.8 version and let's start the game. And what is really fucking annoying is when you choose the Minecraft version you want to play with and you press the play button, then it opens up a fucking add focus link in the browser. So why do I get redirected to the download page if I already downloaded Nodus? That's really annoying. So if you want to make money with the hack client, then just use add focus as a download link for the hack client once, but not always when you restart Minecraft. That's annoying. And after I've closed 50 of those fucking add focus links, I finally made it into the main menu where we can see that it is Minecraft 1.7.8 Nodus version 1.0 beta coded by Java. And as I said, Optifine is currently not included. Also, there's nothing special here in the main menu. So now let's just join a multiplayer server and let's check out the hacks of the hack client. So there we go. Okay guys, so we're now here online on the multiplayer server, and unfortunately I'm not playing on Warcraft because it's a 1.7.4 server and this is a 1.7.8 hack client. And you can't play with a 1.7.8 hack client on a 1.7.4 server. And also this is the only 1.7.8 hack client right now. Before others get updated you have to wait until MCP gets updated, and this will take about 1 week. Okay, so now let's take a look at the hack client. So there are no commands here in the chat, but there's a console in the hack client and we'll later take a look at that. And to open up the GUI you have to press the Y key on the keyboard, and this opens up this Nodus GUI here. And as always, this is a drag and drop GUI, so you can drag and drop all those boxes here around the screen. And to get out of the GUI you have to press the escape key, and to re-enter it just press the Y key again. Okay, then you can see those boxes here, and if you tick those boxes, then those category boxes here are pinned on your screen, and if you go out of the GUI with the escape key, then it still stays on your screen. Okay, so let's unpin them. And now let's go quickly here through the boxes. So here you can see your current coordinates and in which direction you're going. Then here we have combat related hacks, world related hacks, movement related hacks, and building hacks. Then here in the middle we have the client manager, which is not drag and droppable. Then here we have a text radar which shows you which players are near you and how many blocks they're away from you. Here you can see your enabled mods, and under this we have a tap GUI, so you can drag and drop this around. And if you don't want to use the click GUI, then you can use the tap GUI with the keys on your keyboard. And now let's go quickly through the hacks. So if you want to expand any of those categories, just tick the black box here on the right side, and then the category opens up and shows you which hacks are inside. So now let's start with the combat related hacks, which we have right over here. And here we have a bow aimbot, click aimbot, and force field. You will later see all those hacks in action in the PvP gameplay. Then we have some movement related hacks. So here we have auto walk, we have derp, we have fly, so you can fly around, and this works pretty well on vanilla servers which don't have a protection against flying. But don't fly too long, because if flying is not enabled you will get kicked from the server. Okay, then let me re-enter the GUI. Further here we have free cam, so here you can go out of your body and explore the area. And this is a little buggy right now, because if you use free cam then you go out of your body, and if you use it again you go out of that body again, and then you dupe your character. As you can see several characters which are basically you. But don't worry, only you see them, and it's pretty funny. And let's re-enter the GUI and let's check out the other hacks. So further we have high jump, we have no fall, which works perfectly. We have sneak, spider, sprint, and step. And if you're not sure what each hack is doing, I will upload a little description to the video description which tells you what each hack does. Okay, then further here in the GUI we have some world related hacks. So here we have auto egg, no swing, we have a cave finder which works also well, we have a chest finder, day, ESP, full bright, no render, no slowdown, we have notifications which is currently bugged, so as you can see invalid command, notifications toggle, we have a timer, we have tracers, we have a wall hack, we have waypoints, we have weather, and we have a good working X-ray. Also weather is currently bugged, so it says invalid command. But except of those two hacks, all other world related hacks work pretty well. So the chest ESP is working, the player ESP is working, and also tracers are working without a problem. And basically that are the hacks you need the most. Okay, then let's go back to the GUI. So further we have here some building related hacks. So we have auto sign, auto tool, auto mine, fast break, fast place, build, and nuker. And as I said, I can't test the nuker because I'm here on a 1.7.8 server and I'm not OP, so I'm not in creative, and you have to be in creative in order to use the nuker correctly. But if you want to, you can test it out in the single player. Okay, that was the nuker, and now let's take a look at the other things. So further we have here enabled mods. So this tells you which hacks are currently enabled. And here we have a text radar with different modes, and here you can see if players are near you and how many blocks they are away from you. And you can also see those fake tremones here in the text radar. Then here we have the tab GUI, and you can pin this to your screen, and then you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate here through the tab GUI. So use the arrow up and arrow down key to browse the categories, and if you want to go into any of those categories, just press the right arrow key. Then you can activate any of those hacks with the right arrow key, and if you want to go back, just use the left arrow key. Pretty simple, and it's much faster than the click GUI. Okay, then now let's check out the client manager, which we can find here on the top. So here we have options, and here you can edit the client options. And if you click that, then here you can switch the colors of primary, secondary, passive mobs, and all that stuff. So you can adjust the colors to your likes. Also here we have client binds, so here you can edit the hotkey of the GUI, of the console, and also of those other things here. And now let us take a closer look at the console. As I said, you cannot enter commands into the chat, but you can open up the console with the U key by default, and here you can enter commands. So if you type help, you have to type help commands, then you get a list of all commands which you can enter. And this can be very useful because you can edit a lot of things with those commands. Also when you type help about, you can see that Nodus is remade by Sir Java, and you can find here his YouTube channel and also wizard hacks. I think everybody of you knows wizard hacks. Okay, then let's go back here to the client manager. Here we have a bind editor. So here you can edit all the keybinds. So add new keybinds. Therefore you just have to enter a key, go to add, then edit it, and here you just have to type the hack space toggle to toggle the hack. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Then further here we have a tab editor, and here you can edit the categories of the tab GUI. You can add categories or remove categories. And that's pretty cool because you can put all the hacks in different categories. Then here we have a click editor. So here you can edit the click GUI. You can add new boxes or remove boxes, also pretty cool. And we have an X-ray editor, which currently does not work. As you can see here in the chat, it says the X-ray editor is broken. Wait for Nodus 1.8 MCP. And you can use X-ray add and the ID of the block, or you can also remove the ID of the block if you want to, and that basically works, but currently there's no X-ray editor. Okay, so I think we went through all functions of the Nodus hack client, still in beta version and a lot of bugs, and you have to wait for the full release, but you can try it out if you want to. And a lot of new hacks are coming when MCP gets updated, and then I will do a lot of more reviews, so please stay tuned. And now you will see a little PvP gameplay to see how good the hack client is at PvP. So just sit down, enjoy, and thanks for watching, guys.